Hi guys,
Mm.
and today we're going to make emotion stick
Puppets.
puppets.
Okay. What do you need?
Sticks,
Mm.
glue, scissors, and pencil,
And?
and color paper.
Okay.
Hi guys, first thing we have to make 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. And next thing we have to cut.
Oh.
Hi guys, it's already been 5 minutes later, and look, after we cut it out, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 circles.
Oh, what's next?
Next, we have to draw on them.
See.
First things we have to draw. First thing we can draw a happy face.
Where will you copy it?
Yeah,
Okay. Next is?
mad face.
Mm.
Just do like this, then like that, then like this, then like that, then like that.
Mm-hmm.
Now sad face. We have to do like this carefully, then do like this, not carefully. Then after that, we have to do squared up
But
and
what's
down.
that? Scared.
Yeah, scared. And let's do like this, and do like that, and do like that, and do like this.
Mm. Then show your faces. Okay. What have you got there?
Sad, mad, happy.
Again?
Happy, mad, scared, sad, scared.
Oh, wait, go. Say it. What are you doing?
I'm putting glue.
Oh, say next.
Next, put glue
Where?
on the stick
Mm-hmm.
and put it on the side.
Make sure.
Make sure you don't put it upside down, but you have to put it upside down and wait for it
To let it dry. Okay.
And next, again, we have happy, red, scared, green, sad,
Blue.
and mad, orange.
So now we have the emotion.
Emotion puppet.
Oh, let me see. Show it.
1, 2, and 3,